In this video, I'm going to be focusing on how to do an oil change on the Venom X22. By all means, I am not a professional. I suggest you do as much research as possible before you do maintenance on your motorcycle, but this is the way that I do it. The manual suggests to turn off the fuel gauges when the motorcycle is not in use. I personally try to turn them off every time it is not in use, and I double check every time I do any sort of maintenance on the motorcycle. First, you need to find a level surface and place your motorcycle on the center stand. The main tool needed is a socket wrench with a socket of 11/16 and a pair of gloves, because it will get messy. This is the bolt that you're going to be unscrewing. Now, make sure you put a container under the bolt to catch the oil that's going to be dripping out. I searched the owner's manual and I could not find the amount of oil needed for my motorcycle. The internet said 1 liter was average for a 125cc motorcycle. I decided to start off with 700 milliliters. As recommended by the internet, I turned on the motorcycle, I warmed it up, I proceeded to turn it off, and the dipstick showed that I had overfilled. I then proceeded to extract some of the excess oil. After extracting some oil, I then proceeded to check the dipstick once again. And don't worry guys, I am cleaning the dipstick before every check. I apologize for the dipstick being a little bit blurry, but the oil levels did stay between the ridges on the dipstick, so we have officially finished our oil change. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I hope this video helps someone out there that has questions about the Venom X22. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day or night.